Tell me the story, the way Grandma used to tell it.
Well, some people call them little penguins. But fairy penguins is the name they prefer. And every time you see them, they use their special magic on you to make you smile. Good night, sweetie.
The penguins are almost gone. Dad, if we're below 10 next month, council is shutting us down.
I'm going to march in there and tell those imbeciles...
Dad, stop! Unless you can bring the penguins back, just stop.
Oddball, where are you, mate? The only maremma dog in history that can't bring itself to guard chickens. But what he lacks in looking after chickens, he makes up for in taking care of penguins.
Don't you think taking him to the island is pretty risky?
If you want the biscuit, you got to risk it. Not a word to your mum, right? Pinky? We've got to come up with some tests. The fox. Yeah, no. Yeah. If it smells like foxworthy, he'll attack it. No, Karen, this can work. Oddie's got it in him. Penguins are just chickens in tuxedos. Next stop, Little Island.
Oddball protecting penguins.
I can't believe this is happening.
Stay. This is your job now.
This really works.
Like scrambled eggs on toast.
That dog is obviously dangerous.
He's just curious.
Somebody hurt Oddball and those penguins deliberately, and he's going to come back tonight and finish the job.
What's the plan? I can't do guns.
They're only darts.
I see him. Middle Island is home to those penguins. It's where they belong.
Get down from there! You get down from there!
Has everyone lost their mind?
Looks like we're in business. Stay there. That's right. Good.